what was your and Ashish's initial reaction when you all found out that you all were pregnant?
He started crying. First I cried when I found out. I have a picture of that, and then he started crying when baby just kicked.
हमने तो all is well बोला भी नहीं यार. So Sonali's baby's first reaction captured on Bollywood Hangama. ये already star बन गया.
This I
या
will
बन गई
never-
है. Tell us one actress जिनका best pregnancy announcement रहा photoshoot का.
I only remember Deepika's. Who else did announce?
Alia announced it. with
Alia
the-
announced it? I
yeah.
genuinely don't remember. What was Alia? Some clothes.
No. They were like at the doctor's clinic, and while they were seeing the ultrasound, there was a heart on it. Between you and Ashish, tell us one name that you all have completely discarded from the options you all have picked.
I'm
ये
not
तो नहीं
saying-
चलेगा.
I'm
This
not
name-
saying this because if it's like a Lajvanti or a Ramesh, then all the Rameshes and Rajvantis are going to hate us. No,
So
no.
Lajvanti and Ramesh were on the list.
Actually ये मैंने literally ऐसे ही बोल दिया, but you know हमने नाम की होती है discussion, but we've not, because we want to take out the letter and then see. We want to follow that properly.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Sonali Sajnani and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.
So we're going to play this planning. We're going to like have this special segment with you. सबसे पहला सवाल, what was your and Ashish's initial reaction when you all found out that you all were pregnant?
So like I said, मैं न्यूजीलैंड में थी जब मुझे पता चला, and आशीष इंडिया में था. मैं न्यूजीलैंड में अपनी मम्मा के साथ थी, and आशीष was here और हमारा टाइम डिफरेंस था. So when I found out, उसकी आधी रात हो रही थी, and I was like, oh God, अभी मुझे पूरा दिन वेट करना पड़ेगा उसको बताने के लिए. And yeah, so when I told him, I have that reaction because मैंने घर के कैमरा पे उसका reaction record किया था. And it was, he started crying. First I cried when I found out. I have a picture of that, and then he started crying when he found
कहते
out.
हैं that the first trimester is the most challenging one. How did you overcome that?
It is definitely the most challenging because your energy levels in your first and third trimester, I think, मतलब इतनी tired मैं जिंदगी में कभी नहीं होंगी कि जैसे पता नहीं क्या पत्थर तोड़ रही हूँ मैं. But what you like, I would just remind myself, okay, today I made a kidney, today I made a heart. That's why I'm so tired. So I was literally, मैं बस खा रही थी, सो रही थी, फिर लंच के लिए उठ के खा रही थी, फिर सो रही थी. That's all I was doing. But the good thing was बहुत difficult था. Mentally भी, because आप बहुत emotional भी होते हो उस time पे, तो मैं रोती थी, हंसती थी, all of that would happen. But baby just kicked. No, I mean many times that this is like.
हमने तो all is well बोला भी नहीं यार. Wow, guys.
And I said it because my hand moved.
Oh my God.
Yeah, they're stronger now, no, because it's.
So Sonali's baby's first reaction captured on Bollywood Hangama. ये already star बन गया.
This I
या
will
बन गई है.
This I'll definitely give it.
Oh, that is
I,
beautiful.
sorry, I just couldn't control
That is
it.
beautiful.
Yeah, so first 3 months. So I listened to my body. I definitely listened to my body. And जैसे अगर मुझे लग रहा था कि नहीं, मैं जो लोग सोचते हैं कि मैंने हमेशा से ये शीर्षासन जो हम अभी बात भी कर रहे थे कि वर्कआउट किया है कि ये तो रुकती नहीं है. नो, फर्स्ट 3 months I really took it easy because बॉडी में एनर्जी नहीं थी. एंड द आइडिया इज कि आप अपने बॉडी की सुनो. सो द बॉडी सेड नो, I was not doing anything.
What has been the weirdest pregnancy craving you have had or have heard of?
I have had such a weird, I mean, I'm having such a weird thing. So मेरी craving ज़्यादा नहीं है.
हाँ.
Very simple. या तो salads या मीठा. Two extremes of the spectrum. So salads I'm really craving, which I think is such a healthy craving to have. So I'm blessed. But also मीठा. So a lot of मिठाइयाँ during Ganpati and all has happened. अब दिवाली आएगी. So
आपका बच्चा मतलब already balance कर रहा है अंदर.
हाँ, exactly. But that's how it should be, right? Well done, baby. But I think the weirdest is, so I'm someone who hates ketchup. Okay.
Who hates ketchup?
I hate ketchup. Exactly. And I get this reaction. I don't like ketchup. मेरी मम्मा ने कभी आदत ही नहीं डाली हमें खाने की, तो मुझे कभी नहीं. आशीष बहुत ketchup खाता है. I look at him and I'm like, why are you eating? Like, who eats ketchup? Like, why? What is the need, right? Guess who likes eating ketchup now? And who's very happy about it? The father. He's like, oh, great. And I'm like, this is so weird. I don't even like ketchup. Why am I craving it? So that's the weirdest thing that's happened to my body.
Okay, how do you react now? Show us your reaction when people say that ये actors का, female actors का career खत्म हो जाता है ना after pregnancy. Great reaction. How do you react when random people say, can I touch your belly?
Oh my god. Oh my god. We'll have to do a separate segment on this because I have some at least they're asking. You know, I have had cases where people just come and touch.
What?
Yeah. I've had someone who's just come and wanted to kiss the belly. Yeah, exactly. Like, come on, do you like? इस पे मैं actually by the way reel बनाने वाली हूँ. I'm gonna make no, but it sounds funny, but it's really wrong. Genuinely,
Why do random people want to come and kiss your belly? That's so...
or even touch. मतलब it's so weird. ना अभी मैं आ जाऊँ और मैं I mean it's so weird just because I have a life. You can't do that.
Yeah.
You know, it's just wrong. So ये concept तो नहीं है और मैं सोचती क्यों नहीं है because मैं तो ऐसी नहीं थी. I've had so many pregnant people around me. I never went in like sticking my lips on their belly or touching them. I remember when my best friend Simran was pregnant. I mean, her baby is 1.5 years old now, and I remember when she was pregnant, I was so tempted to. So I would ask. I was like, "Sim, can I?" She's like, "Yeah." So you ask if you're, and that was such a my best friend,
Right?
You know. And then I had to like ask her and do it. So random people though, and even like not such good friends. Yeah. So. No.
Okay, tell us 3 things that husbands of would-be mother should always do for their pregnant wives.
I feel like the mother can get in and out of mood sometimes. So just have patience with her because there are a lot of hormonal changes happen. So maybe she's acting a bit crazy sometimes. So it's okay. Just have patience. Definitely bond with the baby because I feel a lot of bonding mothers के साथ तो naturally हो जाती है, right? They're hearing our voices every time. They know. So I feel if the fathers are not doing it, तो आप definitely अपने babies के साथ बात करो, stories पढ़ो, Bhagavad Gita पढ़ो, Ashish chants the Gayatri mantra to our baby. So do what you can. And third, don't, in fact, be very hard on yourself. I feel ये in fact एक mothers को भी करना चाहिए fathers के लिए. कोई fathers के बारे में नहीं सोचता. सब सोचते हैं कि oh mother. Yes, mothers do go a lot because physically, mentally. But fathers भी simultaneously they're going through a lot because उनके लिए भी बहुत change है. In fact, वो change outside पे बैठ के देख रहे हैं because they want to help sometimes but they can't because it's not in their body. And then their mind works as someone, you know, because men are the providers.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, of course, we live in a very equal world now, but somewhere that mentality is there that how do I now provide for my family? So they sometimes can take that pressure.
That's very well put, Sonali. And I'm so glad that you're saying this because this is a topic that's very underrated for men.
Yeah.
अब ये बताएं that how do you react to people who get over careful and ये about protective about you get मैं पानी चाहिए मैं पानी ले आती हूँ क्या चाहिए हवा चाहिए फूंक मारता हूँ.
You know, if I have to be honest, it took me some time to get used to it because initially मैं कहती थी यार please मैं बीमार नहीं हूँ मैं pregnant हूँ. There is a difference, you know, मैं walk करके जा सकती हूँ पानी ले सकती हूँ. But then I realized, I remember मेरी मम्मा से एक बार I spoke to my mother. I said यार it's just irritating that people are you know, but she told me a very beautiful thing. She said, see, they are genuinely concerned for you. They want to help in any way. I said, yeah, that is true. And so I have the patience. I find it very sweet, but it's okay.
Tell us one actress जिनका best pregnancy announcement रहा photo shoot का.
I actually don't remember one actress pregnancy. You know, recent times I only remember Deepika's. Who else did announce?
Alia announced it.
Alia announced it?
Yeah.
I genuinely don't remember. What was Alia? Some clothes.
No. They were like at the doctor's clinic and while they were seeing the ultrasound, there was a heart on it. Or there was a baby photo on it.
No. So I genuinely don't remember this.
Okay.
So also one thing about me is that I stopped following a lot of people in the last, I would say 3 years, in the sense anybody who I'm not friends with or not good friends with,
Sure.
or any handles that don't inspire me I don't follow.
Okay.
So मैंने social media से वो conscious, so there is a lot of news and a lot of entertainment news that I don't genuinely come to know.
Okay.
Because I don't go on my explore and I don't get to know unless someone tells me. So
Fair
that's
enough.
the thing. Deepika's, I remember why, because obviously at that time I was also pregnant, and when I heard, so I don't think I follow her, but I went to her handle and I saw that what the announcement was. So
Sweet.
yeah.
Okay. Have you tried any pregnancy hack from suggested Instagram reels?
Yeah, actually, many. I mean, tips I know, hacks. Oh yeah. For heartburn, having chewing gum.
Okay.
Yeah, and it works. So yeah, sometimes these things really work.
Okay. Between you and Ashish, tell us one name that you all have completely discarded from the options you all have picked.
I'm
ये
not
तो नहीं
saying.
चलेगा.
I'm
This
not
name-
saying this because if it's like a Lajwanti or a Ramesh, then all the Rameshes and Rajwantis are going to hate us. No,
So
no, no.
Lajwanti and Ramesh were on the
नहीं,
list.
actually ये मैंने literally ऐसे ही बोल दिया, but you know हमने नाम की होती है discussion, but we've not, because we want to take out the letter and then see. We want to follow that properly.
Okay. Tell us 3 things a couple should definitely know before they plan a baby.
So many things.
3 चीजें जो आपको लगता है कि ये तो पक्का जान लो, कर लो या फिर.
कर लो ना, like yeah, so I have spoken about this, but maybe not enough, and maybe not enough people speak, but हमारे इंडियन वेदास में गर्भ संस्कार के बारे में है, so which is education in the womb, and उसके accordingly आप, if you prepare for it and if you do those things, it's better. That's how you bring a soul to the world. So मोटा मोटी ऊपर से अगर मैं बोलूँ तो कुछ चीज़ें हैं, जैसे obviously if you drink alcohol and if you smoke, then don't do it.
Yeah.
Be ready to welcome the soul. Pray for the soul. I think that is important, the kind of soul you want to attract. And thirdly, connect with each other as a couple. You know, just don't do it the other way around कि हम बच्चा कर लेते हैं फिर हमारा connection strong
Right.
होगा. It should be the other way around. Once you are on the same page और आपका as a couple connection strong है, that's the best gift you can give to your child, right? Good parents who are happy with each other is the best gift you can give to your child. So yeah.
And finally, what are you more inclined towards, a boy or a girl? You have to answer. Don't give us this. अच्छा बच्चा वो तो होना ही है.
Lakshmi ji aa jaye.
Oh, so
I'm
we are
a
so
first
happy.
older daughter.
We are so happy. This was definitely a special one, and it was a baby approved. क्योंकि interview के बीचों बीच we got a kick. कि
Yeah,
मतलब बहुत
was
बढ़िया है.
Yeah,
So
that
thank you
was-
so much.
Thank
and
you, Urmil.
I wish you all the best
Thank you.
to a healthy living.
Absolutely, and you too.
Thank you so
Thank
much. And
you.
guys, thank you for joining us on Bollywood Hangama.
Hi, I'm Sonali Sajnani, and you're watching me on Bollywood Hangama.